Your Hornback bicycle arrives almost fully assembled. Start by carefully opening the carton. Lift the bicycle out and place it on a flat surface. Remove the zip ties, securing the frame. Part 1. Fixing the quick release. Inside the box, you'll find the quick release. This is the only part you need to install. Before inserting it, remove the nut and the spring from one side of the rod. Now slide the quick release rod through the wheel hub. Once inserted, place the spring back in position and then tighten the nut securely. Part 2. Fixing the handlebar. Now move to the handlebar setup. Cut and remove the zip ties along the handlebar. Take the wrench and the 4 Allen keys provided in the box and keep them ready. You'll notice the stem is facing inward toward the frame. Using the 5mm Allen key, slightly loosen the top cap bolt and the side bolts of the stem. Gently rotate the stem forward so it faces the correct riding direction. Once aligned, tighten the top and side bolts firmly using the same Allen key. Remove the 4 faceplate bolts by using 4mm Allen key. Place the handlebar into position and adjust the angle so it sits comfortably and aligned. Reattach the faceplate and tighten the 4 bolts evenly. Make sure the handlebar is straight and securely fixed without any movement. Part 3. Aligning the tyre and installing pedals. Now position the wheel correctly into the frame slots. Ensure the axle sits fully and evenly on both sides. Check from the front. The wheel must sit straight and centered. Tighten the nut until it feels snug. Then close the quick release lever firmly. Spin the wheel to confirm smooth rotation. Press both brake levers to check response. Next, fix the pedals. You'll see markings R for right and L for left. Match them correctly and align the pedals smoothly into the threading. Tighten them properly so they sit firm. Give everything one final check. You're now ready to ride.